I didn't really know what I wanted to be, but watching the presentation, I've got an idea of what I want to be now.
My name's Amanda Kay. I'm a brand champion with Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, and my role is to go and visit students to give them the opportunities that are available with us as a company.
Well, I think it's one of my favourite talks I've been to. It's her coming in here and saying, oh, there's this, or we can match your skills to a certain job. It's so helpful.
It's more knowledge than what you can find anywhere because it's somebody actually speaking from experience.
I did FE in travel and tourism, and I wanted to progress further into the airport industry, so I chose this course for a reason.
Same as Jawad, I did 2 years and I loved it, so I wanted to progress so I can get a further job.
So there'll be so many opportunities available, like cabin crew, ground operations at the airports. They can also come and work at the contact centre in Leeds, in marketing, in IT. The list is endless.
I'm Kirsty Beckett and my role is a lecturer in hospitality and travel management on the HE programme. I'm also the programme lead for the foundation degree in hospitality and travel management. Yeah, we do have a good network of employers that we do work with for guest lecturers like today with Amanda and Jet2, and we do have a network of local employers as well that we work with for work placements.
It's that progression from it being a course to step into the career that you wanted to do. So talks like this, it helps you progress further than what your course is giving.
I really want to be the passenger service agent, just because I like talking to customers, making sure they're happy.
So right now I'm looking for a part-time job as well, and I think Jet2 would really help me to get that experience in the airport industry.
I'm thinking of maybe looking for a summer job with Jet2 abroad. I'm still young, I can get out there but get the experience behind me in order to get progression into the company somewhere else.
The students have had a fantastic morning and they've gained a lot of information from Amanda, which I'm sure will help them with their applications, not just with Jet2 but obviously with other hospitality and travel organisations as well.